Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Hyundai Ioniq 6 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So first we're going to apply slip solution to the lens, and our slip solution contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. Grab a clean microfiber towel and just make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have, and if you can, just clean off the surrounding area just in case the tint does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, and then for our second solution that we're going to use, it is our tack solution. This contains distilled water with isopropyl alcohol, and with this one we're going to spray it onto a clean side of our microfiber towel, and what it does, it just helps remove any hard contaminants like oils, grease, or any coating that the lens may have. And then once we're done prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. Okay, so once we finish prepping the headlight lens, now we can start with the installation. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and all we need to do is just place the film down and align it to this edge of the headlight first. So align it right on the edge, and then once you have it aligned, grab your tack solution, spray it on top and on the bottom of the tint. Keep it aligned, grab your squeegee, make sure you're still holding it, and tack it down. We need to make sure we tack down this section of the headlight first, since it is the flattest area to work with. Make sure to remove all of the solution, and then once we tack this section down, we're going to stretch the film and align it until we reach to that end. Okay, once this section is secured, now we move on to stretching. Okay, so all we have to do in order to remove these small fingers that we have here in the middle section is stretch the film going this way. So we kind of have to go in an upward motion when stretching the film. So just like this. So grab it from here and go like this with your palm. So now all the fingers that we had here disappeared. All we have to do now is grab our tack solution, spray it on top, and start tacking down the film. Work your way section by section. Now that this is tacked down, move your hand to this side here. And that's pretty much it. Just something to keep in mind with this headlight, there is just a small bump located here on this area of the headlight. For this one, to make sure that the tint stays tacked down to this area here, just make sure to remove all the solution from underneath the film, and then with a little bit of heat will help the adhesive on the film tack down to this section of the tint here. But before we apply heat, just make sure to remove all the solution underneath, because with heat we will start sealing the entire film. So to remove the fingers and to tack down this section of the tint to the headlight, we're going to use a heat gun. You can also use your hairdryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and just apply heat evenly. And as you're applying heat, we're going to just use your microfiber towel, hold the film for a couple seconds, maybe like 5 seconds with the microfiber towel, and then just help it tack down, and then just seal all the edges, and then we should be good. Don't forget to spray tack solution on top, and then just apply heat. So once we're done with the installation for the headlight tint, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So it's post heat, just grab your tack solution and spray it on top of the lens. Grab your heat gun or your hairdryer. You can use the low setting for this part as well, and just apply heat evenly as you go. Use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film in case there is some small fingers popping up. With heat and just holding the finger down for a couple seconds, you'll be able to seal and tack down those fingers. So just do this process, take your time, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Hyundai Ioniq 6. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.